Hi, this is Teresa with Beauty Counter, and I'm going to show you my soft hands technique for repairing our hands that are really trashed from all the hand washing we've been doing lately. So here we go. Well, like everyone else, my hands have been super dry from all the hand washing, and I've asked a friend of mine who gave me some tips, and then I've had multiple people ask me, how do I rescue my hands that are so dry from all of the hand washing? And so the two things that I have found, the two ways I have found to help with this, one is for really, really dry skin where it's pretty intense, and that's using the body sugar scrub and the body butter. And another one is using the Beauty Counter hand cream after each wash. When I first asked for help, one of my friends had said, hey, I didn't have these here at home, and a friend said to me, hey, you've got the baby balm, and you can use that also at night. It's just super heavy, and I'll explain to you the difference between the two ways here. So method one is the same as you would use if you were giving yourself or someone else a manicure or a pedicure, and that is to start by using the scrub, and this is a sugar scrub. It has all safe ingredients. As you know, Beauty Counter does not use specific ingredients because of the impact to our bodies, the hormone disruption, endocrine disruption, cancer-causing ingredients that are in many beauty products. So we're going to put just a little bit on, get it on both hands, and then let the lovely acai berry and apricot oil and sweet almond oil protect our moisture barrier, while the sugar scrub helps to get the dead skin to come off and release from your hands. And this is, when you're done, because of the oils, you really still have moisture on your hands. And then to make sure that it stays, then you would come back and you would use just a small amount of the body butter. The body butter is also vegan and gluten-free, just like the scrub, and it has shea butter and moringa oil and aloe leaf juice in it, so it's intensely hydrating. And this is a heavy moisturization. This is something you'd want to do at bedtime, or if you don't have any other activities that you need to do with your hands throughout the day. However, some of us are really busy and we can't have that rich hand cream on and be tacky and sticky on our fingers. And so when we're washing our hands, we can come back and use the hand cream. The hand cream is also vegan, gluten-free, and clean products. The nice thing is that it doesn't have any synthetic fragrance. It provides immediate hydration and dries quickly. It has shea butter, sunflower oil, aloe juice, also just in a lower concentration. And this is enough for both of your hands. And this, because it absorbs quickly and it's lightweight, it does not make your fingers tacky or sticky. And so when I first started working on trying to fix my hands, which seriously looked like I had a case of leprosy going on at that point, you can see where I'm still healing up from cracking open and bleeding. At first I only had the hand cream, and I happened to have the baby balm in here at the house. Now the baby balm is not vegan because it has beeswax in it. However, it still is a safe product to be using, as are all Beauty Counter, and it creates a deep moisture barrier. It is gluten-free and it's unscented and it's heavier, but it doesn't have the petroleum products, so you have a safe product for using on yourself. Again, shea butter, jojoba seed oil, sunflower oil, nourishing and enriching ingredients. So what I was doing was I was using this every time I wash my hands in the day, which also you can get the body butter in a tube and use that if you like, to be able to take it with you to work. And This, I was using the baby balm at bedtime only. And then I ordered these and I got these. They come in a set right now until they're sold out. Then you can get the regular full size ones. And those, again, those are like for doing your manicure or your pedicure. So there you go.